In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a download button and digital product on Wix. First, let's get your file ready. This could be a PDF, an image, or an audio file. Make sure it's final and easy to recognize. Then save it on your computer with a clear descriptive name like How to Be a Legend, Book PDF Font, PDF. A clean name helps you find it quickly and looks professional to your visitors when they download it. Now let's add a download button on your site. Head to wix.com, log in, and open your website dashboard. Click Edit Site to launch the Wix editor. Navigate to the page where you want the download to live, such as a services or resources page. Click the Add button at the top left. You can insert an image to represent the file if you like, and add a text element for the title and a short description such as free download How to Be a Legend book PDF. This gives visitors context and encourages clicks. Click Add again and choose Button. Place the button neatly below your image and text, then edit the button label to say something clear like download. Make sure the button stands out with good contrast so it's easy to find. Next, link the button to your document. With the button selected, click Link to or Link in the button settings. In the options, choose Document. Click Choose File and upload your PDF or other file from your computer. Once it's uploaded, click Add to Page. Your button is now connected to the downloadable file. As a tip, try to keep file sizes reasonable so downloads start quickly for your visitors. Before you publish, test everything. Click Preview, the eye icon, to see how the layout looks, then click the button in preview mode to confirm the file downloads correctly. If anything seems off, go back to the editor to adjust spacing, text, or button placement. If you'd rather offer the file through your store, there's an alternative. From your Wix dashboard, go to Store, then Products, and click Add Product. Choose Digital File as the product type. Upload your file, fill in the product name and description, and set a price. If you want it to be free, set the price to 0. Click Save. The product will appear in your catalog, and customers can obtain the file through the store checkout, even if it's free. When you're happy with your button or your digital product setup, click Publish in the top right. Your downloadable documents are now live on your Wix website. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next.